How's it going, everybody? Here to rip a box of the brand new 2023 Topps Finest Baseball. Got Bryce Harper on the cover this year. I don't know, somewhat random, I guess. But I don't know. They usually pick just like any good player for the most part. So you'll see a lot of Trout, Judge, Vlad Jr., players like that, top of the line players, Acuna, Otani, But haven't bought Finest in a while. I don't remember the last time I broke it on the channel, but I've been really wanting to buy baseball for quite a bit. So I was like, the price, it's definitely inflated a bit, but I really wanted to try it. And I was like, it could be worse price wise, so let's give it a go. Alright, let's do one mini box at a time. But let me pre-open this one. Okay, pre-open that one. Alright, so here we go. Let's see how the first mini box does. Do we have a golden treasure chest box? We do not. All those boxes are gold, and I think everything's numbered to 50 or less in those. So that's a pretty cool thing that they added this year. But not a cool way to start. Jose Altuve. Yikes. Trey Turner. Logan Webb refractor. Oh, what? No way. What? Michael Harris 305 rookie autograph. What? What the heck? Dude. We need... Oh my god, dude. What the hell? Michael Harris the sec... What? No way. Red. Wait, what? Get in the top loader. I'll clean it off after if there's any fingerprints. Oh my lord. What? Dude. What? Oh my god. That is crazy. That is crazy. Like, I still can't believe that. First pack. Well, we know the second autograph is going to be crap, but... Oh my god. Pete Alonso. Lover Peguero rookie. And then color, Simeon Woods Richardson. Don't know what he's doing. Numbered at 250, but it's a nice parallel. But, yeah, it's a pitcher, so... I don't know. Riley Green rookie. And Oscar Gonzalez. Let me try to separate rookies if I can. But, let's keep it going. Luis Castillo. Corey Seager. Headliners, Dave Winfield. That's a decent insert. Not too bad. And Hunter Green and Austin Riley. Jesus. Cade Cavalli, rookie. Esteury Ruiz, rookie. This guy's fun to watch. Shane McClanahan, refractor. Corbin Carroll, there we go. My dude. This is one of my favorite guys to watch as well. Corbin Carroll. Kind of been following him, and he's one of my dudes now. So, and Francisco Alvarez, rookie. Jazz Chisholm. Miguel Cabrera. Ooh. That's pretty. What is this? Yo, rookie at a 175, Kota Senga. Is this like a blue aqua shimmer or something? It's definitely a shimmer. I guess aqua. That's really nice and a rookie. I'll take it. Wow, what a mini box. That is incredible. Let's sleeve that up too. That is a beautiful card. Holy crap. And then Logan Webb and Zach Wheeler. Last pack of the mini box. Christopher Morel rookie. Shohei. Headliners Cal Ripken Jr. Shane McClanahan and Bo Bichette. We got the nice Shohei. We'll put that there. That's fine. All right. Next half. Let's see how it goes. Cal Raleigh. Ezekiel Duran, rookie. He's pretty nice. Ah, nice refractor. Francisco Alvarez. That's cool. All right, and Garrett Mitchell and Shea Langeliers. Rookies. Okay. Rookie pile. Okay. Got Max Scherzer. Ooh, we got a gold. What is going on? Too bad this guy's not that great. But still a rookie, Max Meyer. 47/50. Golds are always nice to get, even if it's not a great player. I don't think he's really doing anything, but I could be wrong. What is this? Oh my god! Dude, we got Josh Jung refractor auto. What is going on? Dude, what a freaking box. Holy crap. This is possibly the AL Rookie of the Year. I mean, I'm trying to think who else is in contention for AL Rookie of the Year. I mean, Ezekiel Duran, but Jung would win it over him. Let's look at some Ruiz. I think you gotta give it to Jung. I mean, he's not a slam dunk, but yeah, I can't really think of anybody else that's in contention other than those. Unless I'm forgetting somebody, but wow. Freaking refractor auto. Jesus. That is nice. That's an insane box. Freaking insane. And then we had Michael Harris and Brian Bello. Rookies. Wow. Dude, I almost want to buy another box. Like, what the freak, dude? JJ Bleday, rookie. Miguel Vargas, rookie. Rookies, Oscar Gonzalez, insert. Nick Prado. Ricky and Carlos Correa. Nick Prado, Miguel Vargas. Yeah, none of those would be better than Jung's years so far. Hunter Brown, rookie. No, you wouldn't be rookie of the year, I don't think. Spencer Steer. Ooh, we got a Zach Wheeler refractor. That's nice. Bryce Harper, Cover Boy, and a Juan Soto. 2 more packs. We got DL Hall. DL Hall, rookie. Ketel Marte. Rafael Devers, headliners. Paul Goldschmidt, and a Josh Jung rookie. Base. And last pack. Do we have any number card? Luis Robert, Blue Bob, Oscar Colas, rookie. There we go. Nice. DL Hall, blue. Another pitcher. The 300 refractor. Joey Meneses, rookie, and Christian Yelich. So let's recap that. The color. Some of the color we got. DL Hall, the 300. The Simeon Woods Richardson is to 250, and we got a Max Meyer Gold. All right. Fractors, Zach Wheeler, Francisco Alvarez, Shane McClanahan, and Logan Webb. Best numbered card we got, just like parallels, was this Kodai Senga out of 175. This shimmer. And then the autographs, Josh Jung refractor auto. Not numbered, but awesome. And it's his rookie. And then the big one, the 3 of 5 Red Wave on-card autograph rookie with Michael Harris II. Jeez. All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that box break. Freaking amazing. Don't let this distract you from the fact that it's still a gamble to buy these kind of hobby boxes. You almost always lose, but wow, that's like my best box of Finest ever. Easily. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon for more box breaks, wrestling, Pokemon, all that good stuff. See you guys next time. Peace.